Hi everyone, welcome um today we have no extra puzzles. No, it's today Saturday. Yes, Saturday, November the 19th, 2022, and I've told you earlier we have no extra puzzles in this edition, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Friday, November the 18th, 2022, we have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block with 1 star. Alright, let me continue with these three puzzles. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any we have no newspaper, so what I will do is the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Yeah, Thursday edition we have also three puzzles left, and if I have the spare time tomorrow, then I will do a samurai Sudoku, yes, aka quintuplet. And yeah, just like last week, without any comments, I will do this with a speed test, and I hope I will solve this again within an hour. Alright, let's talking. So let's get started with the first puzzle, the letter Sudoku. And this will be number 5506. 5506. Before I start, I always count the digits. In this case, those are letters. 27 printed letters. And the letters that I can use are always different. But in this puzzle, we have the S, the R, the D, the N, the P, the L, the T, the A, and the Dutch Y. And unique letters, yes, in unique letters. And the goal is to solve this last column. It's a Dutch word, and I will translate this if I solve this in English. Alright, so let's get started. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is S. We have an S in the middle column, so no S in these two boxes. So one box left for the S. Should be there. Two missing letters now in this big square for letters L is missing. And the letter letter T. L and a T, L and T. We have an L in this row. No L there. L should be here, and the T goes there. Right. Okay. P P L L. S S. Well. SS, okay. T D in this row, D in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the D should be there. The N in this row, the N in the row below. So the last row, the only three places left for the N should be here, or there. You see an N in this column, no N there. Here and N in the column next, so no N there. So the only place left for the N should be here. Alright. Okay, five missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the N. We have an N in the second column, so no N in these two boxes here. And then four in the middle row, so no N in those two boxes. One box left for the N in this big square. It should be there. So we have an N in this row, and in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in this column, no N there, and should be there. N in the third column, N in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in the third row, no N there, and should be there. The N in this column, the N in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in the first row, so no N there, N should be there. And all the N's are used. I can see letter number 1, letter N. Okay. Alright. The A in this row, the A in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the A should be there. A, okay. Yeah. The A in this column, the A in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the A should be there. A in the last row, A in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the A should be there. A. Cannot continue with A. The Y and the D. Y and the D. Y and the D. Y. D. P. Let me see. And the L is missing. And the L. And the L. Come on. This is taking too long. D. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the D. We have a D in this last column, so no D in these 3 boxes. We have a D in the third row, so no D in those 2 boxes. So the D in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the D is missing and the Dutch Y. Yes, it's a Dutch Y here. D and a Dutch Y. Well, we have a D in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no D there. D should be here, and the Dutch Y should be here. Alright. L and Alright. T. Need a T here. L. We have an L in this column, L in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the L goes together with the L, with the D as a pair. L and D, L and the D. Okay. T. Yeah. T. S. I'm thinking A. P. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter in this big square is the letter P. We have a P in this column. No P in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the P. Should be there. P in this column. First column, P in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. You see a P in the last row. So no P there. P should be there. P in this column, P in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. You see a P in this row. No P there. P should be there. P. The T and the S. Yeah. 2 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the T is missing and the S is missing. T and S. We have a S in this row. No S there. S should be here. And the T goes there. Y, that's Y, and R is missing. Need the R, need the R. Well. Two missing letters in this row. For letters, that's Y, and L is missing. Yeah, that's Y and L. We have a Y, that's Y in this first column, so no Y there. That's Y goes here, and L goes there. The Dutch Y in the first column, the Dutch Y in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the Dutch Y should be here. Alright. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the Dutch Y. We have a Dutch Y in this middle row. So no Dutch Y in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the Dutch Y in this big square. Should be here. Alright. So we have a Dutch Y in this row. The Dutch Y in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the Dutch Y should be here or there. We see a Dutch Y in this column, so no Dutch Y in this box. The Dutch Y goes in that box. Alright. 2 missing letters in this row. For letters, T is missing. And the letter R is missing. T and R. We have a T in this second column, so no T there. T should be here. And the R goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters, R is missing. And the letter R and the S is missing. R and S. We have an R in this column. No R there. R should be here. And S goes at there. 1 box left in this column for Dutch Y, I believe. Yeah, Dutch Y. Y, yes. So we have a Dutch Y in the third row, Dutch Y in the second row. So first row, the only 2 places left for the Dutch Y should be here or there. We see a Dutch Y in this column, so no Dutch Y there. The only place left for the Dutch Y should be here. And all the Y's, Dutch Y's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter Dutch Y. Alright, 3 missing letters here. Yeah, I know what the word is. But let me continue. 1 box left in this row for the letter. L is missing here. The L is missing. 1 box left in this big square for letter. S is missing here. The S. S. T. And R is missing. T and R. And the A is missing here. Ay. R is missing. P and the L. R and the R and the L. Well. D. Come on. PP. A. We have an A in this column, the A in that column, so the column will be 3. The middle column, no, only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see an A in the second row, no A there, A should be there. A in this third row, A in the second row. So first row, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see an A in the third column, no A there, A should be there. And all the A's used. I can't see. Letter number 3, letter A. Wait. Then the S in the third column, the S in the first column, so the column between the second column, and only place left for the S should be there. One box left in this second column for the letter D is missing here. T and R missing. T and R. T and R. Okay. Come on. So we have a S in this column, the S in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. We have a S in the third row, so no S there, S should be here. S in the third row, S in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. You see an S in this column, no S there, S should be there. So 2 missing letters here, the T and the R. Need to wait. How about T and R? T and R, T and R. Yeah. Come on. The P is missing also. Yeah. P. Yeah. P in this row. P in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the P should be there. P in this column, P in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the P should be there. And all the P's are used. I can't see. Letter number 4, letter P. R is missing. And the L is missing. R and L. We have an L in this column. No L there. L should be here. And the R goes there. L and a D. We have an L in the first row. No L there. L should be here. And the D goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number. The first row for the letter R. So we have an R in the first row. R in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the R should be there. 1 box left in the last column for letter T. And we solve it in 70 minutes. In Dutch, it's strijdplan. In English, the solution will be battle plan. Yes, battle plan. Let me finish this. 1 box left in this row, the second row for the letter. I believe the... this is the L. The T, I believe. No. The D is missing here. Yeah, the D. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters T and L. T and L. Yeah, T and L. We have an L in the first column, no L there. L should be here, and the T goes there. Find the 2 letters in this big square for letters T is missing, and the R is missing. T and R, T and R. We have a T in this first column, so no T there. T should be here, and the R goes there. Final 2 letters in this big square for letters R is missing. And L is missing. R and L. We have R in this column. No R there. R should be here. And the L goes there. Yes. Well, I'm pleased with the time because for letter Sudoku I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And we solved this in 90 minutes. So, yeah. I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The 2-star Sudoku and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.